Hi everybody, Derek Anderson here with BizTech Solutions, bringing you another cybersecurity tip. In my line of work, I often get asked, why do I need an expensive firewall? Firewalls that we typically sell to businesses range from anywhere from $800 or $900 up to $2,000 to $3,000, and there's some really high-end firewalls that can get into the tens of thousands of dollars. It all depends on the capacity of the network and the needs of the business. So oftentimes we get asked, why do I need that? Can't I go to a big box store like a Best Buy and they sell a Wi-Fi router there for $100, $200, and that's what I have at my home. I've had it in my business. It works great. Well, the firewall is such a critical piece of your network security. It is essentially the wall, the virtual wall to the internet world, to your business. And the better that wall is, and the more intelligent that it is, the better your security is. So essentially, a router you can go buy at a Best Buy is built for home-based purposes. Its job is to provide a better and faster signal so that, things like Netflix and YouTube stream fast, your Xbox has a great gaming experience, but it's not really concerned about monitoring all of the network traffic to make sure that malicious files aren't coming in and out, that you have access to known third world countries that that are known for cyber attacks, such as Russia and North Korea. So we don't want, it's there to just make your life and home experience pleasant and easy to set up and configure. In a business, though, we want to put up our walls and defend against hackers and cyber criminals as best as we can. And so it's a much more intelligent device that's going to look for files that are coming in and out from the internet to make sure they're not malicious. It's going to make sure that any traffic that's coming through is actually requested from a computer inside the network. It can geographically block all traffic from all other countries. Oftentimes for our clients, we say, hey, do you conduct business with any other countries? No, everything is within the US. All right, easy. We're just going to block traffic from everywhere else. Or we'll just allow minimal traffic, from, say Europe, Canada, Mexico, things like that. But typically we're always blocking Russia, North Korea, countries like that where a lot of cyber criminal activity originates. And not only that, the firewall can also help keep your employees productive and monitor and block inappropriate internet content. The firewall can actually tell you if you have an employee that spent half their day on careerbuilder.com looking for a new job, or maybe they've just been browsing social media all day long and haven't been productive and you're wondering why things haven't gotten done. Or we can just block categories as a whole. Help prevent sexual harassment claims by blocking pornography as a whole across your business network. So there's a lot of value to that. Firewalls also typically have subscriptions tied to them to keep them up to date, to protect you against the latest threats, to look for the new forms of virus and file activity that can be trying to get through the firewall. So it's really important to maintain those subscriptions and keep them up to date. Something that you can just go buy at a Best Buy or big box store is not going to have that level of security. Again, they can be fine for your home use. That being said, we still do recommend and commonly sell business grade firewalls to personal residences. Typically these are the CEOs, CIOs, business owners of our clients that want to have an extra layer of protection at their home, and we install those for them and can add some commercial grade fast wireless access points in the home as well to help create that great browsing experience. But sometimes we got to sacrifice a little bit of performance for security, and that's always a better way to go. But talk to your IT professional, talk to someone like myself, happy to answer any questions of really what the best fit is for you. But definitely in your business, make sure you invest in that firewall. If there's one thing that you need to invest on, it is definitely that firewall, which is that wall to the outside internet world. So that's this week's cybersecurity tip. Stay safe and stay vigilant out there, everybody.